Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Belinda and today we're going to be going through a quick speed colouring of this beautiful image. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, I'm doing an image by an artist called Eeva Nikunen. She's actually a fantasy art and illustrator, and she does oil paintings and obviously these colouring pages. And I found her while on Patreon. So she has a Patreon page, and this is one of the images that she's given away free for her patrons, which she gives away an image each month. So I decided to do this one because I wanted to show you guys how to colour grayscale with really dark coloured images, and this one being quite dark, I wanted to give that a go for you. So I'm using Nina Classic Crest Solar White Smooth Paper, and I have got Prismacolor pencils here for this one. I have a full real-time tutorial available for patrons on my Patreon page, so I'll pop the link for that in the description below there as well. And I've added a conversion from Prismacolor to Polychromos, Black Widows, and also Pablos there as well. So if you don't have Prismacolors, hopefully you do have one of those sets. That's also available to patrons with the full video. So guys, I'm just going to let you guys watch this one. If you have any questions or you'd like to check her out, check out all the links in the description below. I'll put her Patreon page. She also has some colouring books and things. I'll pop the details in the description below this video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Vero. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And I will see you in the next video. Enjoy, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. I'm just doing the finishing touches on it now. If you have any questions, as I said, please just contact me. Also, subscribe if you haven't already and click on the little bell if you want notifications when I upload new videos. Thanks guys!